Often once you've decided that you need that extra space, you then want to know whether you should do an upper floor extension or a ground floor extension. Now there's many other things that you need to consider when doing either. If for instance you're doing a ground floor extension, it requires obviously a lot of excavation. Now you can come into some problems with excavation, such as unforeseen items such as septic tanks, lots of sewer pipes, and ground conditions that may not be ideal for building on, which then makes the builders have to excavate even further and use more concrete at additional cost. These can't often be seen when you have a soil report, as there are only a couple of propoles that determine for the engineer what to base his drawings on. A ground floor extension is generally quite easy and quick because you're building off the end of a home. However, the cost of a ground floor extension can sometimes end up more than doing an upper floor extension, as you then may decide that you want to do a kitchen or a laundry, which are obviously big ticket cost items in a home. For an upper floor addition, whilst the existing structure needs to be able to withstand a new level being put on it, there are additional load points that will need to be installed, which brings extra columns or studs into the ground floor walls and possibly extra footings as well. Another item is extra bracing is often required. So what does this mean? Well, a lot more of your walls downstairs may require the plaster to be removed than you initially thought, thus causing more work to be done than initially thought. Whilst an upper floor extension, the cons that you have with that is you may have overlooking issues or overshadowing issues with your neighbours, and that may mean you may have to reduce the size of your upper floor extension in regards to how close you are to the boundaries. So what I have found with our own business at Max Construction's projects, that when we do an upper floor extension, they tend to move a lot quicker than what we do for a ground floor extension. But this is mainly due to, as I said before, whether people are adding extra a kitchen, a laundry, because they need to reconfigure part of their ground floor to make it work with their extension that they're adding. Whereas an upper floor addition, obviously there's less impact on the ground floor, you just mainly need a space for your staircase. I hope this helps you make your decision on whether you do a ground floor or an upper floor extension. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.